Hey kids, let's go fly a Ladybird 2. It is a Ladybird 2, even though it's got a grey canopy. There's its green one, which happened when I smashed into a wall the other day. So you notice my specially adapted back garden here, sun up there, which is full of long grass designed to absorb crashes while I practice my flips. Play outdoors. Right, heading your way, Aerocat. Alright, Dad's coming out there, so you don't need to worry. Against the sun in the sky. Not much wind. And flippings. Another knee launch. Unstable. And there we go. You can only do these flips when you've got new batteries, because you haven't got the power to recover if you don't. Let's try another one then. So up we go and drop and recover. Just see if we can do another little flip. Ooh. Have we got enough power left to try another flip, I wonder? Yes, we have. Bit of control at the end there. Going for the 3. And he's got it. Try another flip. Well, at least it came back to me. And up, and drop, and recover. Oh! Just about in my own back garden. Killed power to that. Just in time. Can you come and see Daddy? Come on. Oh yes! Are you lovely? Oh, listen to the beeping. That's Daddy's battery.